So from now on, we're going to shelter now.
Nasabi mo sa akin kanina medyo na problema ka sa family mo. Bakit?
Kasi I don't like to compare me to everyone. I want my family will support me, but my family will not comforting me, not love me, not trust me, not supporting me, not enjoy me, ang pinakaayaw ko lang po sa family ko yung nasasaktan po ako sa lahat ng mga pinagsasabi po. Lalo na po hindi ka tunay na anak. Sa kotse kaysa sa shelter, ayaw ko dumabaho. Tignan ako, daddy, tignan. Tignan mo, di.
11:30.
Hindi ako makahinga sa aircon. Kumakahinga. Pero amay lola, amay ngaranto is Gloria Jovellanos de la Cruz.
Tanggas. No, sige.
Magkaroon taon ka lang
I can 20.
20, sir
Ilaw. Lakas.
Hawakan ko na lang.
Salamat po. Hi everyone! So from now on, we're going to shelter now. Wait lang, I will find my effect. I saw 30.
Dapat naliligo ha?
Ay, kakaligo ko lang po kanina. Nag-swimming po kami.
Pagdating sa shelter, maliligo mama.
Nag-swimming po kami, daddy. Kakaligo ko lang po. Daddy, pahawak, daddy. So guys, we're going to... Daddy, patingin po kayong lahat. Tignan ko po kayo. Hi everyone! Kayo din po, daddy.
Hello everybody, good evening po.
We're going to Makati shelter, right? Shelter, so daddy's find my anxiety and depression, so we can help ourselves to recover.
Yes, that's right.
We want to eat. Daddy, thank you. I want to go Binondo. Dan tayo Binondo, tapos dan tayo papuntang Makati na yun eh.
Gabi na eh. Sa shelter muna para
maganda po yung Binondo eh.
Oo.
May ilaw.
Gusto mo doon sa may ilaw lagi?
Sa may ilaw po, sa may Binondo po. Gusto ko pong last makita. Kuya, sa Binondo, kuya, sa may ilaw-ilaw bago tayo punta ng shelter. Hello? Hi! We're going black. Hi, Arabia! Kinshana! Hawaragatu higanatu. We gotta go himarabu hiverufu. Papru pumur pushento. We're going to shelter. Provo, Prevento, Provo, Ferape, Franzo.
Hindi ko naintindihan.
Maganda po ang boses ko pag nakikinig po sila. Daddy, baba mo lang. Salamat, Daddy.
Tapos na yung premiere. Oh, sige.
Daddy, wala po bang birthday
pero
surprise po?
mag-i-intro.
Daddy, wala po
Pwede
bang...
na rin diretso na.
Daddy,
Yan, sasabay ako mag-live ha.
Daddy, wala po bang birthday surprise po sa akin? Kahit sa car lang po, birthday surprise.
Hindi mo pa birthday. Kailan ba birthday mo?
August 30 po.
Tapos na ba yun?
Kailan birthday mo?
August 30.
Daddy, gusto ko po sana. Pero kunwari po, hindi ko po alam yung setup niya ni Raymond po. Sana gusto ko po sana i-surprise yung sarili ko na will you marry me po? So we're going to vlog for my daddy. So magsasabay kami ng mag-vlog. Ito guys, pupunta kaming Makati for recovery for my life and for myself. We need to recover for our anxiety and depression. We need to enjoy our life forever and ever. So I want to recover myself. So I want to join Daddy Frankie vlog for his opportunity to help me for my recover. Sorry, Daddy, may asthma ako eh.
Okay lang.
So I don't like fast forward.
Pero bakit ice cream ang iniinom mo?
Because this is my favorite. Dito pa ako ng buhay, dito rin pa ako nagsaya.
Harap ha?
This this one.
Another?
Open it. And I will put just some water. You can put some water and I will eat po.
Okay.
I get the...
Put it here?
Yeah, put it here.
Together?
Thank you,
Okay.
Daddy Frank. Daddy Frankie, say hi.
Say hi, hello.
Hi, Daddy.
Okay, you want to drink water?
Hello. Hello.
Okay, magpakilala ka. Baka
So?
makilala ka dito. Baka makilala ka ng mga kamag-anak mo.
So guys, ako po pala si Precious Grace de la Cruz Avillanos. Sa pangalan po sa Dagupan City, Bunuan Gazette. Purok 10 po, Zone 7, Barangay Bunuan Gazette, Pandaligan po. Nananawagan po ako na kung naririnig niyo po itong live na po ni Daddy Frankie, kailangan ko po kayo dito sa Manila. So we can recover and be happy po. Gusto ko lang po sana maging masaya ngayong araw na to. Kasi sa tanan po ng buhay ko, Christmas, New Year, birthday, wala po akong happiness. Gusto ko po sana buong pamilya ko sa birthday, August 30. Sa August 30 po sana maging buo po ang aking birthday, Daddy Ricky.
Daddy Frankie.
Ay, Daddy Frankie. Gusto ko po sana ma-invite lahat ng family ko, Dagupan, Malasiki at La Union po. Gusto ko po sana silang masama po. That's all po.
Nasabi mo sa akin kanina medyo na problema ka sa family mo. Bakit?
Kasi I don't like to compare me to everyone. I want my family will support me, but my family will not comforting me, not love me, not trust me, not supporting me, not enjoy me, ang pinakaayaw ko lang po sa family ko yung nasasaktan po ako sa lahat ng mga pinagsasabi po. Lalo na po hindi ka tunay na anak. Alam niyo po, may tula po ako. Akin na po.
Sige.
May tula po ako sa family.
Ba't sinabi ba nilang hindi ka tunay na anak?
Opo, that is I don't like to realize that I'm not a dog. I realize that I'm strong and I'm strong for reminding of. Poem po siya, family. Ito po siya, Dear Mom, the memorial poem. If there was doorway to tomorrow or stairway to the past, could I face the hurt again and make this day our last? Could I say goodbye to you or let down now just disappear? Could I forget the years I have since you were here? You thought we were selfless to be just like you. So the doorway to tomorrow is what I will walk through. Today you were still here through many years ago. We spoke about the future because we did know. We did know that doorway could lock itself on you, that tomorrow could come for us to make memories new. So today we are together, this a table we sit, the kettle boils away and cigarette gets lit. We speak about our day, pleasure right now, we talk about the family, so much to talk about. Sana po nagustuhan niyo po ang poem ko. Tagalog naman po ang poem ko sa susunod.